Welcome to the GBE Arts and Crafts Project, a global initiative run by members all over the world. We are uniting the most visionary artists, makers, and creative entrepreneurs from Africa and the global diaspora to build a dominant industry presence and collective wealth. The GBE Arts and Crafts Project is a strategic movement to launch and scale creative ecosystems that are owned and operated by our community. We are looking for people in art studio leadership, open workshop hosting, and drawing or painting instruction. We need crafts and handmade product creators, fashion and textile design facilitators, and sculpture or woodwork specialists. Go to joingbe.com and select the Diaspora Business Association nearest to the region where you live. Create your account and select a project. That's it. Now as a member, you can network with professionals in your industry, monitor the project feed, and by completing small tasks from the blueprint, you acquire points. Later, those points are converted into shares of the project. The more you contribute, the more shares you gain. As your shares increase and the project grows, you receive equity, performance rewards, and profit shares. Creativity shapes our culture, but ownership builds our legacy. Join us and build a global creative empire. Go to joingbe.com.